today with a Fabfitfun unboxing. It's been a hot minute since I've done a Fabfitfun unboxing, but I really love their subscription service. I have to admit that. Boxes each year, and they are $49.95, I believe, $49.99, $49.95. Anyways, you get a ton of good stuff. The thing I love about it is it's lifestyle, it is fashion, beauty, fitness. There's a lot of really fun stuff. It's always a nice variety. So this one is the editor's box. I think it's kind of washing out in my lighting, but I'm gonna show you what I got in mine. I am so excited. I kind of took a little sneaky peeky, and I cannot wait to show you what is in here. It's one of the best boxes for the value. They always come with some sort of like little pamphlet. It's going to tell you about each of the products that are in there, why they picked them. So you'll always have something along those lines in your box. And then there's usually some coupons. This one is a Fabfitfun coupon. I will have a coupon down in the description box below. So make sure you click on that link and use my code if you guys are interested in saving some money. And then this little card will tell you what is in the box and how much everything retails for. So the total retail of this box is between $276 and $295, depending on what products you got. So not everybody's box is gonna be exactly the same. Some of them are going to have like a different color product or a different like little bag that says something else. So they usually have a nice little variety. So let's get into it. The first thing we have here is this mug. It is homemade by Alicia Curry. And let's open it up. Like I said, I took a little sneaky peek. All right. Oh, this is cute. This little mug, it says, "I'd rather be in bed." Very cute. You guys know I love my mugs, so I really like this. I think that's adorable. And that mug retails for $16. The next thing is this little Tarte palette. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Leave Your Mark eyeshadow palette. All right, so I got the palette. Other people may have gotten the Tarte's Glossy Lip Paint. This is what the palette looks like. Really cute, nice, neutral shadows. Really pretty. You guys know if you watched my Sephora VIB recommendations, I love the Tarte in Bloom and the Tartelet just regular palette. So I really do like Tarte shadows, so I'm excited about that. All right, the next thing is a Kate Somersville Exfoliate. This is a wonderful exfoliator. I've used this in the past. This retails for, how much do you retail for? $75. So it is 1.7 fluid ounces. This is a great exfoliator, so I'm gonna go put that in my shower because I really like that. All right, we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've heard so many great things about this, so I'm really excited to try that. That retails for $30. The Daily Concepts Your Hair Towel Wrap. I love these. I love these for traveling, especially when I had red hair. I'd always travel with this so I didn't stain the towels. This is really cute. And this one retails for $18. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. Ice Baby Hot and Cold Gel Pack. This will be great because Ethan's always complaining about his feet being hot. So we put like ice packs. Well, Ted started putting ice packs under his blankets in his bed. I know it's silly, but this can be hot or cold, so that's really cool. You can put it in the microwave, or you can put it in the freezer, so you can have a hot pack or a cold pack. I really like that. That's so cool. I've never seen one that can do both, and so this one retails for $15. Some people may have gotten the bath bombs. I got this, and I'm actually really excited about it. This is super cute. This is from Free People. And I love this for, I actually use these a lot at night because sometimes I'll be tired, I want to go to sleep, and Ted wants to keep watching TV or have his light on and read or play on his phone. So I sleep with one of these actually most of the time, and I love traveling with these on an airplane. This one is the Free People Starry Eyed Travel Eye Mask, and I have mine in the gray. Some people may have gotten the mint color. This retails for $40, and I like it because there's like a cooling gel inside of that. So I'm very excited about that one. This is a really great box. Last thing I got, so some people, oh, did I get the clutch? I did get the clutch. Okay, this is the Rachel Pally reversible clutch. There was two different styles that you could get. Also, if you didn't get this, you may have gotten the tote. I'm very excited about this clutch. Which one did I get? Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. This retails for $60. That is beautiful. This beautiful mint clutch. That looks so cute. Oh my gosh. I have a dress that's gonna go so perfect with this. Very cute. really, really nice quality too. I love this. Oh, and then it has like a little pocket. Oh, can you see? A little pocket on the inside. Very, very cute. So I am super excited about this season's box. If you have gotten this box, what did you get? Did you get the same things? Did you get different colors or the different products? If you have never tried Fabfitfun, I highly recommend it. Again, a link will be down in the description box below with a coupon code so you can save some money. Again, it's just once every season. This is a fantastic gift for Mother's Day. This is a great gift for the holidays, for birthdays. It's kind of the gift that keeps giving. Even if you just do like one box or like a year subscription, and they'll get, you know, a gift every season. So I think it's great. I've really loved my Fabfitfun boxes, and I've never been disappointed with one. You know, sometimes some subscription boxes you're like, meh, I don't really love it, or things aren't the right color. I just feel like I've always gotten products that I can really use, or I'll get something and maybe if I can't use it, I have a great friend that I love to gift some of the items to. So I don't know, I just think it's really fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.